Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. Julio, you might as well tell everybody where the tools are right now.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Festus, and what other names he's added in this last week, I don't know. Anyhow, folks, we're going to make this a short and sweet video. It is leather cleaning and conditioning time, and we're going to share with you the products that we use. It's fast, efficient, and gets the job done. That's all I got to say about that. And make sure you check out our new channel, Mr. Know-It-All. The link will be in the description as well. Let's get busy. All right, the two products that we use and only use is our cleaner. And again, all the products will be in the show more. All you have to do is spray this on. This is that simple. It works on everything. You can use it on everything. It cleans everything that you can even imagine. We can even do this armrest if we wanted. And all you do is spray it on, wipe it off with the best microfibers in the world. And this gets all the dirt. And of course you would do all the leather on the seat, the bolsters on the sides of them. We're not going to do that for the video, but that's what you do. You can do your leather steering wheel with it, and look how clean it looks. It's already cleaner. You can do one seat about every 2 minutes, so you could have this done in 15 minutes if that. Now we're going to use our leather conditioner, which is this stuff right here. Again, that'll be in the tools list. And what we do is we just rub it in. And you can do perforated seating as well. Best to do it in warm weather, and it's good for your hands too, so don't worry about wearing gloves. And you do the whole seat. We like to let it set in the sun like this for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes. It's so hot out here, it's already starting to soak in. And then you take another microfiber, and all you do is buff it in lightly. Then if you can let your car sit out in the sun for 3 or 4 hours, you'll be amazed at how much this absorbs into the leather, keeps it soft and supple. And this is beautiful. And then come back in a few hours and hit it one more time with another soft microfiber, and you're all done. Folks, it's that simple. Hey guys and gals, this is your slick tip time. Don't forget to use your fabric guard when you get done cleaning your carpets. It will make your life so much easier. This is the only stuff we use. It's amazing. GoPro, stop recording.